everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Amazon Prime audio. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're trying to play a video on Amazon Prime but you are experiencing sound issue on your Amazon Prime, then here are some things to do. The first thing to do is to check your Amazon Prime status. Simply go open up a web browser on your mobile device and go to the search box at the top and type in downdetector.com and search. Go to the search button at the top right and tap it on. Type in Prime Video or Amazon Prime in the search box and perform your search. Select Prime Video option from the display and check if there is any problem coming from the server on your device. If it shows any kind of a problem currently, then wait for an hour or two before using your Amazon Prime application. The next thing you could do is to restart your device. Simply press the power button and tap on the restart option displayed on this page. Once you've restarted your system, make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection, whether you want to connect to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Once you have the stable internet connection, check your system volume by pressing the volume plus key in order to turn on sound on a mobile device. The next thing to do is to update your application. Go and tap Open Play Store and go to the search box at the top and type in Amazon Prime. Once you make your search, you'll be able to see the application displayed at the very top. If there is any updates available that you'll need to download, you'll be able to see an update button popping up right next to the app. Give a tap to update in order to update your application. Once the update is completed, simply tap the open button to launch Amazon Prime Video account and check to see by playing a content. Now try playing a video and see if that fixes your issue. If nothing else works out, you can simply delete your Prime Video application from your system. Simply press hold Prime Video app from the app drawer and tap on uninstall. Once you uninstall your application, reinstall it back again, log into your Amazon Prime Video account and check to see if that fixes your issue. That's all for today's video. Those were some of the easiest troubleshooting methods to fix your Amazon Prime audio issue. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.